व्यूअर्स, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ इस वक्त क्लास 4 के बारे में। जो अक्सर प्रॉब्लम स्टूडेंट को होती हैं वो रीडिंग का मसला होता है। मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप रीडिंग करके बताऊँगा। आप अपने पास एक इंग्लिश टू उर्दू डिक्शनरी रख लें। उसमें जो भी मुश्किल वोकैबुलरी होगी वो आप उस डिक्शनरी में देखकर बिल्कुल ईजीली पता कर सकते हैं। अब मैं रीडिंग स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ।
1 2 3
हेलो व्यूअर्स, ये मैं यहाँ लेसन स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। द स्टोरी ऑफ द डॉक्टर डोलाइटल। इसके 1 और 2 पेज पढ़ चुका हूँ मैं। अब इसका 3 और 4 पेज पढ़ना है, फिर उसके बाद ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। नॉन डॉक्टर in the West Country, look at him now. He hasn't any money and his stockings are full of holes. But the dogs and the cats and the children still run up and followed him through the town, the same as they had done when he was rich. One day the doctor was sitting in his kitchen talking with the cat's meat's man, who had come to see him with a stomach ache. Why don't you give up being a pupil's doctor and be an animal doctor? Asked the cat's meat man. The parrot Polynesia was sitting in the window looking out at the rain. She started to listen. You see, doctor, the cat's meat man went on. You know all about animals, much more than these weeds do. That book you wrote about cats, why, it's wonderful. You might have been a cat yourself. You know the way they think and listen. You can make a lot of money doctoring animals. Do you know that? You see, I would send all the old men who had sick cat or dogs to you. And look, all the farmers round about who had lamb horses and weak lambs. They would come be an animal doctor. When the cat's meat man had gone, the parrot flew off the window onto the doctor's table and said, "That man's got sense. That's what you ought to do, be an animal doctor." "Oh, there are plenty of animal doctors," said John Dolittle. "Yes, there are plenty," said Polynesia, "but none of them are any good at all. Now listen, doctor, and I will tell you something. Did you know that animals can talk?" "I knew that parrots can talk," said the doctor. "Oh, we parrots can talk in 2 languages, people language and birds language," said Polynesia proudly. "If I say Polly wants a cracker, you understand me, but hear this, ka, quai, e, fee. "Good, gorgeous!" cried the doctor. "What does that mean?" "That means it is the porridge hot yet." "In bird's language, my, you didn't say so," said the doctor. "You never talked that way to me before." "What would have been the good," said Polynesia, dusting some cracker crumbs off her left wings. "You wouldn't have understand me if I had." "Tell me some more," said the doctor, all excited, and they rushed over to the dresser drawer and come back with the butcher's book and a pencil. "Now don't go too fast, and I will write it down. This is interesting, very interesting, something quite new. Give me the bird's ABC first, slowly now." So, what was the way the doctor came to know what animals had a language of their own and could talk to one another? And all that afternoon, while it was raining, Polynesia sat on the kitchen table giving him birds' words to put down in the book from Hugh Lofting. थैंक यू थैंक यू व्यूअर्स सब्सक्राइब करें लाइक करें शेयर करें थैंक यू